All right. It's Thursday here, October 4th. Wheel Tech. I just want to show you a little update of what we have working on here. Right here. Check this out. 2018 Traverse Redline Edition. We had to replicate this racing stripe that you see right here. Custom demo drive. They curved two of the wheels, both this one and the left rear. But here we were able to replicate that, made it come out beautiful, and that's what we do here. We have Buick Casada. We had to machine the wheel. Actually, it's over here where Theo's at. He's getting ready to mount it. That's precautions we take here at Wheel Tech. After we paint them, we go to mount them up. We triple layer them. And get out of Theo's way here. And that way we ensure all the protection and nothing's going to come in contact with that rim. See that? No duck heads, no nothing. That's what separates us from the rest. Alright guys, that's just a little glimpse of what we got going on, and I'll keep posted. Thanks.